Alright, so I got the wire inserted in there. It wasn't that much grief to get in there. I use this little pry bar, get wedge that open enough. I'm gonna pull it back up and I'm gonna trim that last course of the wire off the bottom instead of having to trim on the top, and then I should be able just to pull that right into place and not really have to do anything. I should be able to have it straight. I shouldn't have to step it or do anything on that to get that going. So I'm going to pull this up and make a cut here along the bottom. I'm going to fold the wire up on itself there at the bottom, and then I won't have access to cut it on this side, so I'll have to pull it up, which is not, I don't think it's going to be that big a deal. It's getting, now I know how to wedge it. You get that. Boo's helping out. He's supervising. Got that. It's actually a functional gate now. I want to finish this sucker up. I don't want to be doing this tomorrow. I want to get this done. Get this project done, and then as a proof of concept,